In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube's something went wrong problem, Android. Every minute, thousands of videos are uploaded to YouTube, making it the most popular site for finding news and entertainment. The something went wrong error noticed in the YouTube app on your Android can ruin your experience, regardless of whether you enjoy watching lengthy documentaries or just added YouTube shorts. To fix this error, first you have to enable the airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, and then turn on the Wi-Fi. The second thing to do is to forget this network. All you have to do is to tap this one, the Wi-Fi name, and then all you have to do is to disable or remove this network. And then after doing that, you can connect to your Wi-Fi again. Or if your Wi-Fi is not that strong, you can connect to other network and try to use your YouTube again to make sure that there's a problem with your Wi-Fi and the other Wi-Fi has a strong connection, then there will be no problem with your YouTube. Now all you have to do is to go to your phone settings and then click your number, and always make sure that you are using a 4G connection, not this one, and not 2G, because obviously it can totally affect and ruin your mood while watching YouTube videos. So after doing this, exit and go to your Google Play Store. Now make sure that your YouTube is updated. So as you can see here, my YouTube is not updated. So all I have to do is to click this update, wait for a few seconds, and then open. Now I do really hope that after updating this application, YouTube something went wrong will be fixed and other errors. Now, next thing is to go to your phone settings. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to make sure that you are not connected to any VPNs, because if you are, then there's a huge possibility that there will be some errors and the something went wrong will appear on your YouTube. So always make sure that you aren't connected to any VPNs, because VPNs can cause errors in some connections. Now, after disconnecting to a VPN, let's go to the very last method, and that is to reset the phone's network settings. So all you have to do is still to go to this phone settings and then go to the reset, find reset all networks, and then try to restart your phone. Now, after you reset, I do really hope that YouTube something went wrong will not appear on your YouTube application. And then if this doesn't work, the last or the very last thing to do is to go to youtube.com and ask for a help, or you can report a problem. Tell them to help you with this problem and wait for their respond and follow these instructions in order for you to fix this something went wrong on YouTube. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.